In this video, I want to share with you another effective drill that'll help you improve your fire dancing. If you're new to the channel, my name is Luke Embers and I'm a professional fire dancer in Chicago. This drill that I'm going to share with you is a continuation off of another drill that I previously shared, known as the hand switching drill. If you're new to this drill or new to sivaafi as a whole, I highly suggest that you watch my previous videos on the one-handed spin and the three-handed spin so that you can develop the skills needed for this drill. I'll be sharing two variations of this move, one beginner and one intermediate. That said, let's jump right in. All right, so this drill is a continuation off of the hand switching drill that I previously shared with you, where you're alternating your Vili Tasi or your one-handed spin across your hands from side to side. This drill is very similar in the sense that rather going upward with the fire knife as you alternate, you're going to be going downward with it and spinning on each alternate side. Let's break it down. All right, so this variation that I'm going to share with you is something that I learned from my friend Manny from Las Vegas. He originally learned it from Rex Malu, who is a world champion fire knife dancer in Orlando. So unlike the original drill where you're doing the Vili Tasi from side to side, alternating, it's going to be that very similar motion, except rather than starting on your right side with your right hand, you're going to start on the left side with your right hand, okay? So rather than starting here, you're going to start here, okay? All right, you're going to do a Vili Tasi and catch it with your left hand. From there, you're going to swoop down using the head facing forward, downward to the right side, and then you're going to do your Vili Tasi on the right side with your left hand. Let me try that one more time. Rather than starting on the right side with your right hand, you're going to start on your left side with your right hand. So your body's going to be twisted, and then you're going to grab the fire knife with your left hand after a single Vili Tasi, single rotation. You're going to swing the fire knife down to your right side using your left hand, do a Vili Tasi on your left, catch it with your right, and repeat. Okay? Nice and easy. So it really is just the same thing. You're just starting on a different side. But notice how, rather than swinging upward with the head of the fire knife as you go to the other side, you're going to be swinging downward, okay? So this is a slightly different way to do the move, but very beginner friendly, very simple. Here's how to do this drill in slow-mo. And that is how you do the Rex Malu variation. All right, so for this next variation, it's slightly more intermediate, and this piggybacks off of my previous tutorial on the three-handed spin. Essentially, you're doing the same motion where you're alternating from side to side. However, you're flicking the fire knife back versus forward. Let's break it down. All right, so the second variation is again a little bit more intermediate than the previous variation, and this one I learned from Mikaele Oloa, who is a 5-time world fire knife champion. I took his workshop in Colorado about a couple years ago, and we drilled this for like 30 minutes straight. So taking the different grips in mind from the three-handed spin, where you have your regular, under, reverse, this variation is all about the reverse grip. So you're basically going to be doing the reverse grip, and the reverse toss from side to side, okay? Let's start off with your right side, of course, like this. Do the reverse grip down, catch it with your left hand, okay? From here, with that momentum, your fire knife is going to go up like this and back down, okay? And as it goes down, you want to carry it to the left side. Once more. So we do the reverse grip, catch it with our left hand, continue that momentum downward as you bring it to the left side, and from here you're going to do the same thing on your left, do the reverse grip, catch it with your right hand, okay? Using that momentum, it's going to come back down, you're going to switch it and do it once more, repeating. Reverse grip on the right side, catch with your left hand, swing it down, reverse grip on your left, catch with your right, down, reverse grip, catch, reverse grip, catch, reverse grip, catch, reverse grip, catch, okay? And as you slowly start to get this move, this is how it should look like. Now, the reason why this is more intermediate is because more people, at least for me when I first started, had more trouble doing the reverse grip the correct way versus the regular grip or the under grip. Keep that in mind, that when doing this move, you need to know how to do the reverse grip. Here's what it all looks like in slow motion. And that is how you do the hand switching drill Mikaele o Loa style. So now that I've shared with you those two variations, here are 3 tips to help you build a strong foundation. Tip number 1, keep your fire knife forward. When you're first starting this drill, you're probably gonna start facing some sort of an angle inward, or maybe even outward. But as you get better with the movement and the catch, you wanna make sure that your fire knife is facing more straight and forward. You essentially want to keep 2 straight lines in front of you. Think of it like a wall that you're creating. You don't want the wall to concave inward. You want it nice and straight. A good way to do this is if you have any additional sticks or poles around, you can create a barrier right in front of you, a single lane, so that you can keep the direction of the fire knife facing forward as you spin. And what's going to help with this is by rotating a little bit more to your side versus keeping a straight torso. I kind of angle myself and exaggerate the turn so that I kind of force the fire knife to face forward, so I'm remaining inside this horizontal plane. Tip number 2, keep your arms straight during the flick. Now this is specifically for the Mika variation when you're flicking it upward like that. When I first started practicing this type of grip, I easily bent my elbows and flared them up like that, right? That is gonna prevent you from having a stable spin and generating power for that flick, okay? So they're gonna pop up after you throw because you have to grab the fire knife back in place, but you don't wanna bend your arm until after you release. Make sense? So keep that elbow nice and straight and really exaggerate that flick with your hand. Really push it up so that it comes upward versus forward, that way, or back. If you're having any challenges with this specific grip, I highly suggest you rewatch my tutorial on the 3-handed spin. And lastly, tip number 3, combine both the directions and all 4 variations of the hand switching drill. This is more of a challenge for those who are getting the hang of it and want to push themselves. In order to actually combine the variations, all you gotta do is turn your body, okay? So let me demonstrate. We're gonna do our original hand switching drill variation. I turn, now it's in the reverse direction, and I can do the 2 different variations where the fire knife is going downward, okay? And then, if I switch it, my body, I'm facing the other way. And now I'm doing the regular type of variation. Again, turn back, face it, then I'm gonna do the under one, under grip again, under, back, and I can just do this in a circle, right? A lot of this is all about playing with the movements that you know and trying to figure out how one move can flow to the other move. And the reason why I've been sharing with you these hand switching drills is because these are great exercises to help you with that. It's a great way to help you develop different ways to combine the same variation or the same type of move with different variations of that same move to make it look like an actual routine. So keeping all of that in mind, make sure you continue to practice this drill and really do it the right way so that you can get the best results and begin to create that flow so you can create and build routines. If you have any questions about the variations of the hand switching drill, please let me know down in the comments below so I can help answer that. Otherwise, that's all I got for you guys. Continue to practice, continue to spin, and continue to be what remains. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.